everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special treat. I am doing an unboxing for Hiyathan, which is a CBD rub company, but they sell like oils and rubs and different things like that. So I met them at Circle of Sisters. They're two sisters, and I was at Circle of Sisters and we were going from booth to booth, and I ran into the booth with a CBD. Now, I suffer with chronic neck pain. I have a linear tear as well as arthritis in my neck here, and then I have arthritis over here. And the only thing the doctors were telling me is that I have to have surgery. Now, I'm not a doctor. This is my disclaimer. I'm not a doctor. I'm not claiming that this is going to heal you of anything and that you shouldn't see your doctor or anything like that. I'm just giving my opinion of what has worked for me, and I have used one of their products and it has been amazing. So they sent me another shipping and I'm going to unbox it right now. See this? But let me see if I can get it down in the box. You guys, oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is adorable. So this is a hyacinth. It has these cute like leaves. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, you guys, would you look at this? Oh, that is so cute. Okay, I'm psyched right now. And right now, from what I can tell you, the smell, oh my god, this is heavenly. This smells amazing. Okay, so let's get with the unboxing. So first, here's a card, but I will list their information down below. So there will be a coupon code. It will be Swalanda25, and you will get 25% off of the Hiyathan products. And I'm telling you, you guys, this is amazing. It's an amazing company, and you're going to love, love, love this stuff. So the first thing we have here is, so this is the milk and honey soap. So let's see what this looks like. And I will be doing reviews on all this stuff, so stay tuned. I will definitely keep you abreast on how amazing these products are. Oh, this smells so good. So this is a soap, and this is what it looks like, and it smells so good. It's like I don't know, I can't place what the smell is, but it has a soft, like almost like a soft honey smell, but it smells really, really good. So the next thing here is, so this just says bar soap, and the ingredients in this one is coconut oil, 45 milligrams full spectrum CBD oil, palm oil, safflower oil, vegetable glycerin, goat's milk, sodium hydroxide, grade A honey, purified water, sorbitol, sorbitan oleate, oat protein, titanium dioxide. So those are the ingredients in the bar soap. And this one looks like, oh, I don't want to rip the ingredients. Let me show you guys. But it has a gold shimmer, like a copper shimmer to it. I don't know if this phone is picking up the effects. And it feels like, you can feel the oils in it. This feels amazing. And you can smell the honey. It smells really, really good. Like, it smells really, really good. I can smell the coconut oil. It's very fresh. It has a fresh, like, shower fresh feel to it. So I'm super excited to try this as well. And I have very dry skin, so the oils inside of this should be like perfect for anybody with dry skin, but I'll get back to you and I'll let you know exactly how it affects the skin and how it felt and all those other things. Okay, so I just did 2 soaps, and I am anxious to keep moving on. So let's see what else is in the box. I just love the way that this is packaged. I'm a person of like detail, and I like little cutesy things, and the box is full of like all these little leaves, and I think this is so freaking cute. Like, oh my god, this is adorable. So there are 2 mango body butters here, but one is Mango Plus and one is the mango. You can use them both on your hair, your scalp, and your skin, but one is Mango Plus. So this one is 100 milligrams and this one is 400 milligrams of CBD. So the plus is more milligrams, and the milder one is just, you know, the mango body with 100 milligrams. So you can choose which one you want. If you want more, then you get the plus. If you just want to try it out just mildly, then you can get the regular one. They both can be used in your hair. It looks like your hair, wet hair, your body, your skin, and massage. And the ingredients I will have to list below, because even though I put my glasses on, it's still super small. So I will list the ingredients below. Oh my god, one of my favorites. This is a lip scrub. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. So this is a lip scrub, and it has 100 milligrams of CBD. You gotta look at how cute these bottles are. Like, this is super cute. And you can see the granular, looks like maybe sugar or something inside of it, but it's a lip scrub. This is so cute. I'm so excited to try these. But I'm super, super anxious to use it. This one I can actually open. Oh my god, that smells so good. And it has like the little rolly ball on top. A really smooth texture. I'll let you know in a second. And the next thing is, okay guys, now you got me. Okay, so this is for hair and skin, and it is ginger and rose, and it says massage into your skin or your hair and your scalp. Like, this is amazing. Massage into wet skin, hair, and scalp to lock in moisture. It's great for itchy bodies and scalps. Wow, common aches and pains massages. So I have eczema, so this is going to be a definite component I would like to add to my routine for my dry, itchy skin, because if anybody has eczema, you know exactly what I'm dealing with. And I'm always looking for natural ingredients compared to what the doctor will give you, a prescription or steroids. I'm always looking for something natural. So this, I'm super, super excited. Super, super excited. Okay, and there's another little treat here. Oh, so there's two little oil rubs here. Oh, so one says lavender vanilla higher roller, stress relief temple balm. Ingredients of 25 milligrams full spectrum CBD, lavender oil, vanilla bean oil. Oh my gosh, so it's a temple balm, which I guess I would roll here and I would roll there, and for stress relief. Yeah, I need that. And the next one is orange higher roller stress relief temple balm. Okay, so one is orange and one is lavender vanilla. So lavender vanilla and orange, and they're both stress temple balms. So you roll this on your temple and to relieve stress. And the ingredients is also 25 milligram full spectrum CBD, orange oil, vanilla bean oil, and peppermint oil. So the orange one has peppermint oil in it as well. This one has lavender oil and vanilla bean oil. I'm just checking in the box to make sure I haven't missed anything. That looks like everything. I'm super, super excited to try all of these products. I will be doing review videos to let you know like how this worked, how that worked. And don't forget the coupon code is Swalanda25, and you will receive 25% off of their products Thank you again, Hiyathan. You girls rock. I love you, love you, love you, love you. I'm going to post their Instagram below, and I'm also, of course, going to post my Instagram below. If you want any information, you can DM me if you haven't been able to find them, and I will DM them and just let them know. But you can go on their website that I will also list below, and order from their fine, all natural products. The rub that I use on my neck is the Higher Body Max Strength CBD Butter, and it's a custom blend. The smell is of a mango, like a coconut. There's a bunch of different blends. It almost has like a eucalyptus smell as well. There's a bunch of different smells in here, and a little goes a long ways. You do have to keep it refrigerated or in a cool area because it does get very like oily, very loose. But so I keep mine in the fridge, and then I just at night I rub it on my neck. It usually gives me about 24 hours of relief. If not 24, sometimes it depends on how much you put on. I think sometimes I need to put on more, but it usually gives me about 16 to 24 hours of relief. Nothing was relieving my pain, and this is like all honesty, 100% truth. There's no exaggeration. There's no, you know, extra put on. I don't know these girls. I hope to get to know them really well in the future. I will be a lifelong customer. I have already suggested them to other people. Like I said, if you have aches or pains or anything like that, it's worth a shot. It's worth a try. And that's with no exaggeration. Like I was in constant pain every day, all day. And I know it seems like I'm doing like an infomercial, but I'm not. I'm literally just saying, for a person in the type of pain that I was dealing with, to rub this on and 45 minutes later realize that for the first time, and I don't know how long, I didn't have pain. So there's my unboxing. Thank you, Hiyathan. I really appreciate all of the products. I really appreciate you guys choosing me to do an unboxing and to promote your product. I'm looking forward to working with them, and I'm looking forward to you guys giving me back your testimonials of how this has worked for you. So once again, subscribe to my channel. If there's any questions that you want to ask me, you feel free to DM me on Instagram or leave a comment below. Either way, those are the ways that you can reach me. And ring the bell, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.